with Exotic Car Play Place. Today, I'm going to explain to you how to use the new 2019 key fob for a BMW, and I'm going to show you on this beautiful M40i X3. So let's get started. I'm going to show you every one of the details, and you should be good to go right after that. Let's go. So of course, first of all, we have this beautiful key. It's got the wonderful M colors on it, and you'll notice 4 buttons. You've got the unlock, you've got the lock, the trunk, and as well the alarm. You want to hit the alarm, hold it, and any button will stop it. You can hit any button to release that siren. Then, make sure it's locked again. So of course, this key contains a lot of things. This contains information from your service history. This also records when you unlock with this key, it records your seat position, mirror position, stereo channel that you had it dialed into, and all the other settings that were customizable would be set up through your key fob. Of course, that is a big part of this. The next part is I'm going to show you some of its other functions other than unlocking, locking, and so on and so forth. So to do the trunk, you press and hold. For 1 second, the trunk opens. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to roll the windows down. So what you're going to do, press and hold your unlock button. You're holding it, and you'll notice the windows roll down and the sunroof will open, but I'm not going to go that far. So what you want to do, you can actually lock it, relock the doors, but say you want to close the windows. Now you press and hold that. Press and hold the lock button, and you'll notice the windows roll back up. Done. Let go. Now everything is locked back up. Of course, there's another function to this key. This key actually comes apart. It's got another half to it. So what you do is you press that little button here, and that separates these two halves. Press it. And now we've got this half. This half of the key can be used to unlock certain parts. Now, of course, we can go around to the side of the car. We can open up the car. And of course, this can be used now to lock this, to lock up your glove box. Turn it this way. Now it's locked. Put the key back in. Now the glove box opens again. And Bob's your uncle. So I hope that was enough for you guys. I wanted to give you a quick rundown how well this new key fob works by BMW. It's got the great stripes. It's a little beefier than previous generations. Very, very nice piece of hardware, but it actually has a little bit going for it. Keeping settings for all your personal settings as well as the information on your maintenance. And you can remotely open and close windows and so on and so forth, as well as activate panic alarms and so on. So thanks again, everybody. I hope you enjoyed the video. You be sure to make sure you give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. And I hope to see you guys real soon. Talk to you then. All right. See ya. Bye-bye.